Music. Welcome to my Credit Repair Today review. Struggling with bad credit? Denied loans? High interest rates? This service might be for you. Credit Repair Today helps fix inaccurate or negative info on your credit report. They simplify the often confusing process of disputing errors like incorrect balances, outdated accounts, and unverifiable negative items. They work directly with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion on your behalf. See progress fast with their quick turnaround time on disputes. Plus, stay informed with regular updates. Beyond fixing errors, Credit Repair Today helps you build better credit habits. Learn to optimize credit utilization, pay down debt strategically, and maintain positive credit behaviors. My experience? User-friendly, efficient, and results-focused. Whether recovering from setbacks or planning for a home or business, Credit Repair Today offers valuable support. Ready to improve your credit? Check out the links below.